Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we'll talk about one feature on your iPhone that is called delete after use. Basically it is a feature on your iPhone which automatically deletes your verification code, one-time passwords on your iPhone automatically after they are used. So whenever you receive any OTP or any code on your iPhone for verification, once you use them, your iPhone will remove or delete it automatically from your messages as well as your mails. So now where is the feature, how to use it, how to disable it, let's see. So guys, basically after iOS 18 this feature has been moved to a different settings. For that, do one thing, go to your iPhone, open settings. In settings, go to general. Okay, in general, here if you scroll down, there is an option called autofill and passwords. Just go ahead and open that. Once you open that, here is a new option given to you, new layout. Okay, and here just below there is an option called verification codes, and below that there is an option called delete after use. Sometimes it is enabled or disabled as per your own convenience. Choose the option and use it. So once you enable delete after use, so next time whenever any codes or any OTP comes to your iPhone or mail, once you use them, automatically it will be removed or deleted from your iPhone instantly. So choose wisely and enable this feature on your iPhone. So guys, that's it about your feature called delete after use on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. I hope it was a helpful video for you, and if yes, then please like the video and subscribe to watch videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.